Welcome to this section of the course. Now this is painting the vampire girl, and we're going to be focusing mainly in this section on dry brushing and applying base coats and sort of a little bit about colour theory, which we're going to build on as we work through the various workshops. Now this is a complete workshop, so we did the sculpting, we did the printing, and now we are proceeding with the painting. There are a few other methods I'm going to be showing you, but I'm going to be touching on them because I don't want to get into them too quickly as they're going to be covered in other workshops. So we're basically going to be improving our painting as we work through the workshops. So this section is mainly about actually applying the colour as a dry brushed technique. So hopefully it's all clear enough for you. I've spent a bit of time making sure that everything's quite visible for you with the overhead camera. So it should be okay for you guys to use. So our final version is going to be like this. So hopefully you enjoy this section of the course, and this will wrap up the vampire girl, and we're then ready to move on to the next workshop.